Welcome to the Organized 365 YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Woodruff, and I'm the founder and CEO of Organized 365. Now, you love YouTube. You want to see how-to videos, how to get organized, things like that. And honestly, that's not what I'm going to have on my YouTube channel. I know, right? We need more videos about how to organize individual spaces inside of our home, but Organized 365 is a different kind of organizational company. Here at Organized 365, I'm a teacher by trade, motivational speaker, and just all around Tigger full of energy. And I want to teach you the skills of organizing, but not how you're used to seeing them. Not by saying, here's exactly how you organize this space. Those are available inside of our programs. What I want to do is help change your mindset and take you on the journey of organization. There are 3 things you're going to find inside of this YouTube channel. Number 1, new in 2020 are weekly videos all about the books that have shaped me into the person I am, both as a homeowner and as an organized person and as a business owner. These are the videos I want to see from other CEOs and founders about how to help me grow my company. Second, I am a teacher by heart, which is what I told you. And there are 2 different kinds of videos that you're going to find here that we have uploaded from past recordings. I do 3 seasonal blitzes each year. I do an adult spring break, a back to school blitz, and a holiday blitz. And these are 5-day challenges that you'll find in the spring, the summer, and the fall that will help you get you organized and send you into the next trimester of your life more organized based on the seasonality. The second kind of training that we have uploaded are masterclasses. So webinars, masterclasses, you'll hear them called different things, but these are free, about 1 hour or maybe a little bit longer trainings where I really deep dive into an organizational thing that I want to teach you, like how to create a certain binder or why you might want to go through the whole 100-day home organization program. So inside of the Organized 365 channel, I hope you will join me as I help you transform your mindset and actually teach you the skills of organization in these different kind of videos. If you like this and you want more, you will love my podcast where I have over 300 episodes. We have more than 7 million downloads, and we've been recording podcast episodes for over 5 years. So subscribe, like my channel, comment. I would love to hear your comments and comment with you, and let's get organized together.